This is a Commodore VIC 20. VIC 20, no it's not. It's Commodore VIC 1525 graphic printer. Showing the lid because it's kind of hard to tell what kind of printer it is otherwise. It's a little bit cheaper than the Atari printer that I have, in that with the Atari printer, anyway, that's getting off topic. So this printer had a few problems when I got it, and I worked those out as shown in the previous video, but it had something that I didn't see. The little ring clip that keeps this cogwheel on was gone and was allowing this to go, basically get off track. So I didn't realize that, and so I was having problems with the cable and actually keeping it on. And so I was trying to put the cable around this little wheel because it came off, because apparently, you know, that had come off, and I broke the cable. So I tried putting the cable back on, trying to figure out, you know, system, how I can get it to work. And by doing that, I took the little springs off the cable, because the cable, even though it's in different sections, was attached by those sections with springs that would give it, let it give some when this wheel would snap back. I don't know if I can get it to do that. Right here, this wheel. That wheel would snap back, and then it would release it and let it, and then the tension on the spring would pull the head back all the way to the left to start the cycle again. And well, I broke that cable, and it took me a day or two to figure out, okay, what can I use in replacement of that cable? And then it occurred to me, what about some fishing line? I have no idea what test this line is, the strength of it, but using this fishing line and some smaller hooks, some smaller weights, you might be able to see one right there. See that? That's fishing line running into this focus. Gotta manually focus. Running inside this cogwheel, and I'm using another weight. This is the first attempt to hold that line. Now, when I turn this on, sorry about the focus, gotta manually focus. When I turn this on, it should pull the print head over and then snap back. Do it again. Now, how long will that last? I do not know. But it's working. That is wild. So, alright, that's how you fix a Commodore printer with a fishing line. Now, the only question is, gotta put this float. Thanks for watching.